What's up, gang? It's your boy Philly TF, and yes, the studio is lit. I am super excited because I've been needing some more vibe setting accessories, and Amazon is just good old Amazon, man. So I just wanted to pop on here, share this with y'all. Definitely do whatever you can to just get the vibe, the mood set for your studio, your home office, or your bedroom. So I wanted to just tap in with y'all real quick. I just got the neon lights, easy to install. I gotta do it this way. It's like being a weatherman. You know how like you gotta do it different when you holding the camera this way. But anyways, so this is just raw, no special editing, nothing like that. I just wanted to just jump in. Anyways, it comes with a super dope remote. It's got like a ton of different features you can change. It really works well. It's got the 3M adhesive sticky tape. So as I was sticking it on there, it's got like a little wheel that the strips are attached to. So as you unroll, the sticky peels off, and you can just like really set it up really good and make it almost look perfect. This is about 32 feet. That's how much it's covering. And then I also got the Good Vibes from Amazon. How can you have a studio? This is just weird. How can you have a studio without the music? You gotta have that brainstorming, because that's how it is when I'm writing, or sometimes I don't write. I just go right off the top. But yeah, so I just wanted to tap in with you guys. My arm is getting tired, so let's switch. Just want to tap in with y'all, get a good look at the studio. We got the vibe nice and set. Definitely gonna take the sessions to another level, and just at nighttime, so now I don't have to have no ugly, just regular light on. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely, again, like I said, leave the links to the sellers where I got these from. I think for the neon, for the wall lights, the Good Vibes, the music note, and the brainstorm, I already had this one. Already been had that one. Yeah, you can't buy this. I actually drew this, so you can't buy that. That didn't come. Also, my mom did that, the dope painting, so that definitely gave it some more pizzazz. But anyways, everything, neon lights and the wall lights, I didn't spend no more than like, okay, 60 bucks, 70 bucks might sound like a lot, but I mean, look at this. I mean, this is just a straight vibe setter. So about 70 bucks, man. Get your budget. Also, we got, just to give it a little bit more. I don't even need that, but I just thought I'd turn it on. So yeah, make sure you guys tap in with Amazon. Amazon is the GOAT. Get your studio enhanced. And yeah, we're gonna be cooking up. Make sure you tap in with your boy. I'm on the gram at RealPhillyTF, RealPhillyTF. Tap in with me. I got little snippets of new music. I got a ton of new music about to drop. I'm about to really start going bonkers on the YouTube page. On my YouTube channel with content, videos, all that. So I'm about to turn up for real. Appreciate y'all. I'm not even gonna ask you to like or subscribe because everybody says that. So I'm not gonna say it. Do what you do. I just wanted to show you what I got going on in the studio, in the lab. We lit, we got light, and we got good vibes. Holla at your boy. Blessings.